What is going on? Welcome back to Corby Q. My name is Corby, and today we are doing another burger in the Signature Burger Series. Today we are doing the Handyman. You got an appetite that's too big, it's a tough job, call the Handyman. Let's get this rolling.
Just don't let it go, 'cause it ain't no getting off till we get there.
Today we're doing the Handyman. It's a big burger, big appetite, big job, call in the Handyman. It's going to be a double quarter pounder with Swiss cheese, American cheese, some bread and butter pickles, some fried crispy onions, some bacon, mayo, ketchup on a Kaiser roll. Just going to take these two patties right here and we're going to season them up with some salt and pepper. Really simple. So let's cue up that sexy food porn B-roll. And build the burger. Bottom bun. Mayo. That's the glue for the onions to stick. Bacon. Swiss cheese patty, cheddar cheese patty, bread and butter, pickle chips. Grab some ketchup. Do I have ketchup? Ketchup. It's the Handyman. Ooh, this ain't gonna cut. This is gonna be messy. Guaranteed. We're gonna make a mess. But, here we go. Cheers. The bacon is smoky, thick cut bacon. The French onion crisps, the fried onion crisps, give it a great crunch. And the sweetness of the pickles. It doesn't matter if you're grilling it, frying it, baking it, or smoking it. Keep doing what you do. I gotta go make 2 more of these because my kids are ready to eat. Take care.